Sa second game, we have SMB at Converge, and sisimulan ito ng Beermen with their transition attack. Jeric to CJ for the first basket of the game. Perez is on a mission sa larong to. This time, a 3-point shot. And Converge is slowed to get back on defense. Naiiwan yung dalawang malaki nila as Jeric is open in the corner para sa 3-point shot. Grabe, nakukuha na ni Ahamiso yung groove niya ng maaga sa team na to. Ibang usapan na yan. Okay yung shot making ni Perez sa start ng laro. Hindi yung mga top shot talaga, and siya yung may control ng laro eh. So far, so good, and he is really good naman talaga eh. Napapansin lang naman yung mga times na need ng serious decision making. But here versus Converge, he's making the most of his strength, running the floor, slamming this one down. Again, most of the points ng SMB is galing sa bad transition defense ng Converge. Lassiter with the 3-point shot. Wala bang adjustment dyan from the coaches? Ito, after tumira ni Hudson ng napakasamang attempt, hahayaan si George King to leak out another fast break points para sa SMB. Dak-dak para kay King. Grabe talaga yung import na to. Here, going for the 3-point shot. Nakuha ni Jeric yung shooting niya tapos sasabay pa to. Grabe naman yan for SMB. Pero nakahabol yung Converge nung pumasok yung second unit ng both teams. Stockton carrying the load for the 5er-Xers, his drives, energy, and yung outside shooting is in full display para 7-point lead lang ang SMB after 1. Sa second quarter, nadala pa rin ni Stockton yung init niya tapos sinabayan pa ni Mikey Williams with their outside shooting. Medyo mabagal din kasi yung laro ng SMB nung sabay pumasok si Mo at Junmar sa loob na, 'di ba? Yung first quarter nila, rat-rat kung rat-rat ka. So, change of gears. Ito nga, Converge na yung tumatakbo. Mikey, what a pass to Arana. Tsaka, happy to si Mikey na ganito yung laro niya. I'm not expecting more, pero consistent double digit na eh. Tapos, yung ball distribution niya is okay. Rotation na lang talaga ng players at combination yung poproblemahin ng coach. Then, we're going to see Arana. A hell of a conference for him. 2 points. Pang BBC yung performance niya in the last 4 games. Grabe talaga si Arana dito. Nakuha nila yung lamang. Pero may sagot ang SMB. My boy, Super Marshall Lassiter hitting back-to-back threes para makuha ng SMB ulit yung advantage. Damn, kumanda yung laban. Sa third quarter, ito na yung surge ng SMB. Perez to King para sa 2 points. Then yung driving ability ni Perez is okay talaga eh. Tingnan nyo, easy layup for him. Tapos, ito nga yung problem ng Converge. After mabutata ni Juan, si Balti nakatayo lang na dapat yung thinking niya, tumba na si Juan eh. So, he needs to help the team on defense. Kasi tatlo lang yung andon and malilate pa si Mikey. Pero wala eh. Chance ulit ng SMB to run. Marshall, Lassiter, Hesi, and Juan. And again, makikita nyo si Balti. Maglalakad siya. Eh si Abueva nakahiga na eh. Ayun, transition opportunity na naman to for SMB. Mintes na sana ni CJ Perez. Kaso yun nga, 4v3 eh. George King, 3-point shot. Napansin din naman niya ng coaching staff at nilabas siya. Pero SMB again, 3-point shot in the corner from Trollano. And here, Concepcion will guard King all the way from the backcourt. Pag naiwan ka niyan, GG kayo. And ganoon na nga yung nangyari. Malilibre si Perez for the 3-point shot. Sa endgame, grabe naman tong drive ni George King over Baltasar. But Jalen Hudson finds Arana inside para magkaroon ng buhay yung Converge. Makikita natin sa SMB kung bakit sobrang fit ni George King kasi here with Junmar, grabe nga yung space pag siya yung initial passer. On this setup, he will cut to the basket 2 points. Alam natin okay din naman yung shot blocking ni Baltasar, pero with King nga na nasa 3-point area, ang laki ng space for Junmar and wala nang energy si Balti to crush the challenge. Madiin din talaga yung ginagawa ni CJ Perez ngayon. Hangs in the air and one. And Converge being careless, another fast break for SMB. It was all over. Takeaways natin is for me, hindi pa ito yung full potential ng SMB. Kailangan pa rin nila ng isang legitimate point guard to settle down the offense. Hindi pa nga yan yung ceiling nila, pero nakakatakot na. What more pag may dumating na ganun? And for Converge, ito yung real test para makita talaga kung they really figured it out. Kasi yung bracket naman nila, parang sure ball na yung top 4 dyan eh. Unlike sa kabila, bakbakan. Swerte na rin ng Converge kasi kaya nila yung bottom 3 na Titan, Terra Firma, and Macau. Kaya pasok sa top 4. Pasalamat din sila sa PPC performance ni Justin Arana. If magtuloy-tuloy to, baka malaki yung case niya to win it. Lalo kung makapag-finals. Kung, yun nga. So, in terms of the import naman, actually, in this game, underwhelming. Pwedeng okay, pwedeng hindi. Kaso talo, kaya marami nagsasabi palitan na. Nasasabi kong okay kasi konti lang naman yung niya, bad shot selection. In fairness nag-adjust siya. Alam niyang si Arana yung main man and binibigay niya talaga yung bola. Pero may mga factors na dapat siyang palitan is yung kanyang defense and effort. Kasi pinakita na nga natin yung ginagawa ni Balti sa transition defense tapos siya din, diba? Gusto ko kasing i-point out talaga si Balti kasi baka maraming hindi makapansin. Kasi alam mo yun, he needs to remove this habit. Kung hindi siya tatakbo, might as well bother the starting man on the break. Yung magsisimula ng transition, yung magpupush. So, yun na lang sana. And going back to the import, kung magpapalit man, sana same position pa rin, small forward. Pero 3-and-D sana. Consistent yung outside shooting plus elite defender. Marami na ito sa G League kasi more on individual defense yung labanan do. So, some of the names are Zion James, 6'5" wing, two-way player, consistent yung outside, and mataas yung basketball IQ. Maganda siguro gawa ako ng separate video for this no? Meron pang CD, Sissoko, AJ Lawson, Micah, PV. So, lahat naman yan pasok sa height limit ng PBA. Kayo ba, Converge fans? Let me know all your hinaing sa comment section below. This is Egon Hoops. See you in the next upload. Bye-bye.